Okay, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that most people don't even tell you about. When you go to buy property, there's a simple, easier way to save the most amount of money when purchasing property. As you know, most people will go through a real estate agent as well as a lender. Those are additional costs that you can avoid by buying through us. Hi, my name is Jim and I am the realestateexpert.online. Be sure to check me out down below after this video and like and subscribe. We have access to properties all over the country. So if you go through your typical realtor, they don't work for free. They are going to require to get paid as much as 7% commission for the purchase of this property that you decide to buy. Guess where that money comes from? That's right, it comes from the buyer's funds at closing. In addition, lenders charge money as well. That's another additional service, and typically they get paid through the closing cost. And it can range anywhere from 3 to 5% in closing cost. If you take a property that's valued at $100,000, that could be anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 out of your pocket, and you have nothing to show for it at the end of the day. So this is what we can do for you. We can avoid all those additional costs by buying through us. We'll take you through every step of the way through the contract agreements. Obviously, you can have access to getting legal counsel on the agreements so you know what you're signing up for. And we can also waive all the closing costs. So that's a beautiful thing as well. So be sure to check us out down below. And also, if you have a property in mind that you would like to buy and we don't own it yet, you can turn us on to the property owner and we can try to work out a deal. So thanks for checking me out, and I hope you like this segment as well as saving money. Bye for now. Make it a great day.